Oh, it's still 30. They didn't jack up the price because it's not last.
No, I think they don't. I don't think they can jack up the price because I think CHP enforced it.
Oh. Well, he looks cold, man. I didn't say, man.
My mom had to do.
Yeah, do you want to do these kind of jobs?
For $30?
Yeah.
But everybody's cute, then everybody only get a discount.
That's why you're like.
Especially if Max comes like this.
Like I said, $30. Forget it. I'll do it myself.
Is there anybody watching? Dude, those people are probably taking their chains off over there.
Okay, I'll sell them back to you for 15. Okay? No,
Oh
there is
yeah,
somebody
actually,
check.
they do charge when you take your chain
Try it
off.
on in here.
Yeah, 15.
For a second. Okay, hold on. You're supposed to go
No
back?
chain installation at this point. Happy New Year's!
Thank you, same to you.
She's cute. She gets $15 off.
She's a happy gal. I like to.
She gets to dress up and just get paid.
I tell them that you got to go. You got to go. No, ching, ching, ching.
Oh, the chain fell off. They were.
$30.
This one, they're missing their bungee. That's why.
Okay, hurry up, y'all. We gotta go.
I feel like I gotta take it off. That way,
Can you,
I can go faster.
Yeah,